know I can't.
How's it going today? Today I have a few different sets of packs to open up. Got 4 packs of Evolutions, XY, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, Sword and Shield, and Rebel Clash. And then I also have a pack of XY Primal Clash and XY Ancient Origins. Picked these up out of a little box that said, can't remember the exact name of it, but it was like a fighting box or something, but it had these 2 packs in it. The other stuff I picked up off it's a Scylla Valley collection box, which had a few different packs of each. I got 2 of those. And then I also picked up 2 of these tins, which some of the stuff I got, like they have the little hollows, not very valuable, but come with them, like the little promos or whatever. The Lucario hollow, there's the 2 Scylla Valley hollows, a Bisharp hollow, and a Zoroark hollow. Kind of a cool looking card. So, all right, well, let's start off. I'm going to start off with some of these Sword and Shield because I have a ton of them. Let's see what we get out of this. All right. Got Energy, Hitmonlee, Rare Candy, Lucky Egg, Rhyhorn, Minccino, Chinchou, Krogrunt, Meowth, Reverse Hoot Hoot, and then a Drampa. I like opening up these different sets. I've opened up so much of the Hidden Fates, Champion's Path, a little bit of Vivid Voltage. It's kind of nice to open up different things too. Check out my video where I was able to open up and pulled a really good Lily full art, ultra rare. I believe it's ultra rare. But yeah, really nice card. Yamper, Scorpion, Reverse Sinistea, and a Drapion. All right. I've actually been enjoying opening up this stuff more than sports cards, just with the different artwork and the different things that you see from the Pokemon, the different sets. Sports cards, to me, a lot of the sets, especially football, just start all looking the same, A reverse Score Bunny and a Morpeko or whatever. And I get all these different little sets, and you get different cards and cute looking cards and stuff, so. I can't afford the early stuff right now, but I wish I could get a couple packs, heavier packs, just to try to try my luck, but this stuff's so expensive. A reverse Sandaconda and a Mudsdale. All right, last one here of the Sword and Shield. All right. Rotom Bike, Drizzle, Bisharp, Shelder, Mawile, Ponyta, Sobble, Marcactus, a reverse Salazzle. That's the first time I've seen that card. And then a hollow Rhyperior. All right, let's go to the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. And I may have to go get the other pack of that one fighting box just to try to open up some more of these, the Primal Clash and the Ancient Origins. So we got Mawile, Kind of has almost like a Disney feel to me on this one. I don't know why. Like, remind me of Lilo, Larion, Lose Mine, Ghastly, Corphish, Mincino, Weedle, Cubone, Reverse Staryu, and a Cacturn. All right. So, energy, a Haunter, Zoelius, Gastrodon, Geodude, Weedle, Skidoo, Starly, Corphish, a Reverse Mankey, and a Regirock. All right, let's do Sun and Moon. Haven't hit any really big hits yet out of this stuff, but I enjoy opening it. You know, like to put the content online, and there's Lily. That's one I pulled, but the full art Metapod, Grimbull, Poplio, Wingull, Surskit, Yungoos, Litten, Reverse Crushing Hammer, and a Lantern. Energy Switch, Boldor, Gramble, Rowlet, Yungoos, Torkoal, Litten. Oops, timber on the cards on the side here. Stuffle, a Reverse Crocodile. That's kind of a cool looking card. And then Palossand. Let's do some Rebel Clash. I really enjoyed opening up the evolutions too. That's been a nice product for me. I think it's cool. All right, Fire Energy, Horror Energy, Palpitoad, Morgrim, Bunnelby, Vulpix, Phantom. It's nice artwork on these cards. Farfetch'd, Squavit, a Reverse Duraludin, and then a Rillaboom VMAX. That's a nice one. I'm going to have my daughter look it up, see if there's any value to that card. Don't count on it, but you never know. Energy. All right. Tranquil, Sonia, Coughing, Imtibimp, Shinx, Sandy Gas, Roly-Coly, Reverse Unpheasant, and then another Rillaboom, the basic. So, had her look it up. Graded wise, that Rillaboom actually does really good, the VMAX, but here's just the regular V2. So, it's a very nice card to hit. And then, so I'm really happy to hit both those. That's why I like some of these cheaper packs. It seems, you know, I spend, you go out and spend a lot of money on some of this other product, and I go out and spend 20 bucks on getting just a couple packs, and you get these big hits, you know. Fire Energy, Chatot, Dracloaks, Lampent, Electabuzz, Squovit, Snover, Natu, Trubbish, a Reverse Greedent, and a Melodic V. It's another beautiful card. Beautiful. So that was a Rebel Clash. Out of that, I got 3, kind of more of the Vs or the V Max. I think out of 4 packs, I got 3. So it's definitely a very nice product. I don't think that the first one I hit, the V Max, I want to say there's a slight chipping on the corner here. Centering looks a little off, top and bottom slightly. But yeah, I just think right there, I don't know if that'll do anything good. So definitely, I don't think it'll grade a 10. Beedrill, Porygon, Trainer, Metapod, Ponyta, Nidoran, Vulpix, Energy, Magikarp, and a Reverse Poliwag. And I don't know the exact card trick on this one either. I don't know if it's 3 or we'll try 3. We've got Energy, Spirit Trainer, Charizard Spirit Link, Kakuna, Poliwag, Energy, Rattata, Vulpix, Electabuzz, Reverse Rattata, and a Beedrill. Let's hope we get something huge. I think it's 3 on this one. Maybe I'm wrong. Polygon, Evolution Spray, Nidorn, Nidorino, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta, Doduo, Pikachu, Reverse Energy, and Electrobe. Alright, next pack here. 2, 3. Let's get a holo or something. Surf and Pikachu. It's cool. I've never seen that card before. Trainer, Porygon, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu. There's a Vulpix Reverse, and a Blastoise EX. I'm not sure if it's a valuable card or not, but definitely like the artwork on it. So it's nice. All right, so we're going to do these last 2 packs, the Primal Class and the Ancient Origins. I may try to go see if I can find some more of those boxes that have these in it. It seems like there's some really good cards that you can pull out of this stuff. Another set that I have no idea what the card trick is. Try 4, but I doubt that's it. So, anyways, Diggersby, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Masquerion, Gordon Spirit Link, Tangela, Skitty, Horsey, Spinda, Nosepass, and then a Reverse Electros. And now for the Ancient Origins. Let's get a really big card out of this. I'm going to try 3. I don't know if that would... No. I don't know. So we got Energy, Flareon, Forest of Giant Plants, reverse around, Relicanth, Cottony, Baltoy, Ralts, Glit, Reverse Paint Roller, and a Hollow Polygon Z. Well, anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate taking the time to watch videos. If you could like and subscribe, I would appreciate that. Just like if you don't like the video, that's fine too. But I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.